Hello to everyone. This is Joanna, and this morning I'm going to share with you my review of this Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. As you can see, I've used this cleanser almost halfway down, and I hauled this with you guys a while ago when I got that Fenty spray, and I was looking for the 1 ounce size instead of the full size, but they didn't have it, so I ended up getting the full size. And this product is a face wash. It's lightweight. It's vegan and gluten-free, as far as I know, cruelty-free as well. Antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, and AHAs. And this size was $34. And the 1 ounce size is 10, and that's the one that I was looking for. And it's said to be good for pores, oiliness, acne, and blemish-prone skin. So this cleanser right here, I have been using it, as you can see, as I had just said, and I like it for the most part, but it's not a one and done for me, because generally with skincare, I like to have something that, you get it all the time. I know that some people, the younger generation now, will try different skincare, but for me, I usually like to have one thing and I use it all the time. I get backups in it. For example, I used to use the Clinique Acne Bar, and I used to use their toner, and I used to use their moisturizer, and I would buy that all the time. But that yellow moisturizer that they had at that time was too much for my oily skin, even though it was a thinner moisturizer, and I would have to basically put it on my skin or on my face while my face was damp and then wipe it off. Now, this is a nice cleanser. It's just that because of how I am, it's not a one and only for me. It has not damaged my face, and it is lightweight, and it has great suds. And for the most part, I hadn't done a review at that time because it also says that it removes makeup, and I hadn't had on makeup when I was wearing it. I hadn't had on any more than mascara, eyeshadow, and eyeliner, of course, because of the mask use. But it is a nice cleanser, and I wanted to get my daughter this because I feel like she would like it. And I will get a backup in the smaller size, because this is something that I would like if I took out of town. And I don't want to lose the whole thing, because that's the thing with a lot of these cleansers. They are not cheap. And if I travel with them, or you travel with them, you run the risk of losing them. So as far as for my skin, I do like it. I just use different cleansers for different things. And in the wintertime, I especially like the oils or the creamy emollient type cleansers. But this one is great. If I was younger, this could be a one and done for me. But I can't wear any cleanser, say like by itself with no moisturizer. But I used this also when it was warm outside. And it was wonderful to clean that dirt and grime and sweat of the day off my face, just being outside in the heat. So I liked it for that. I have used it with the different moisturizers that I have, and I have had, no bad reactions or anything like that, because I'm currently using this Estee Lauder here, this multi-effect, and I got this free in a package when I went to either Dillard's or Macy's, and this is the eye cream. So I have been using it with that. I have also been using it with my Pharmacy Greens moisturizer, which I love a lot, and I've also been using it with those Aqua Bomb moisturizers that y'all know that I just got to try. So again, like I said, the small size is $10 and this size is $34, and it is a great cleanser. I really do like it. It's just not something, and I do have a multitude of cleansers, because nowadays cleansers come out and they don't stay out. If you like something, you just about got to get as much of it as you can at that time, but then you don't want to get too much, because today's products, they don't hold up like they used to. But I have had this one for a while, because I hauled this with the Fenty Mist. And at that time, y'all knew that I mentioned that I wanted the Fenty Mist in the full size and this in the small size. And I ended up getting them vice versa because of how they were available. So I will not say that I dislike this cleanser, because I don't. It's just not where I will stay at. But it is a fantastic cleanser. My skin doesn't feel tight. It feels cleansed and moisturized. And I did have on makeup one day just for the sake of, trying it out with makeup on. And it washed it off. But like with any makeup, especially foundations, a lot of women will do, more than one cleanser because you have to. But I went in with this, with the makeup on my face, and then I went in with the micellar water and all of that. So again, it has not caused me any breakouts or anything like that. So I would say if you're interested in this, give it a try. If you can find the small size, give that a try. But I do like it. And like I said, I am going to get the $10 size in a backup for like when I go out of town or just to have in my purse to take to work. So this is a nice cleanser for that, because often I'll have the Purity face wipes or things like that, like when I work night shift or whatever. So that's another reason why I do want the $10 size. This is a cleanser that I would take to work for my basic all-around cleanser and keep in my locker at work. So give this a try if you get a chance. It's really nice. And like I said, it hasn't caused me any breakouts or anything like that. I am able to use it with other cleansers. And it is, again, it's a lightweight. It's vegan and gluten-free, cruelty-free, antioxidants. It has hyaluronic acid and AHAs. And it's really a nice cleanser. So until the next time, everyone have a great day.